first thing we're going to do is shut off the water. Next, we are going to remove the cover using a Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 screws up here. I was trying to remove this by turning it. It took a long time for us to remove that piece, and because it was stuck. So finally, we're able to remove this piece right here. I don't know what it is, but I think we have a replacement for all of these things. And yeah, unfortunately, I have to destroy this entire thing here because it just would not screw out. All right, so we're gonna try to assemble this in the reverse way that we disassemble it, and see if we can properly put everything back. Okay, so we are going to drop this white plastic piece inside, just like that, and put the spring right on it. Okay, so I forgot to put the rubber ring. The rubber ring's supposed to go around at this black plastic part and all the way at the bottom, or towards the top actually. So it should be pushed all the way towards the top, like that. Okay. All right, so let's try to put it back on again. Let's not forget the spring. All right, now I'm going to turn it on again and hopefully it doesn't leak. Perfect. No leak. Okay, so right now we're ready to turn on, to put on the cap now.